SoundCloud, how to make a playlist. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have downloaded and installed your SoundCloud application on your device. And after updating, after installing, just make sure that you have updated to its latest version. After that, just tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of SoundCloud. Now make sure that you're logged into your account before going through the further processing. Now the profile or the home page will look something like this. So here, if you want to create a playlist, what you can do is you can just go for any song that you want. So I'm gonna go for this one, and if you like any song, so just on the right side you can see the three dotted lines of the song. Tap on that and you will be able to see the option of add to playlist over here. Tap on that. So here you can either add to the already made playlist or you can create a new playlist by tapping on the create playlist option and just mention your title. Tap on save. So now you have created a new playlist over here. So just go to the place. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.